I have a helicopter, and the last one to leave is gonna win $10,000. And competing in today's challenge is... Oh wait, nobody's here, so we gotta hop in this thing and fly it back to my house. So let's go. Oh, we're flying. We're literally just floating. It's time to call the boys and let them know what's coming. Yo. Alright. Bailey, go, Andrew, get to the rooftop. I got a surprise.
Good. Hold on. Oh, I can't hear you.
Now.
Where are you?
What are you talking
Your
to?
car just called me and wants us to go to the roof.
The roof?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know. We're on the roof now. It's so bright. That's what I'm saying. It's so bright up here.
Even birds coming up here.
Yeah, what's up, man? You guys stuff. Are you why we're up here? I just heard people up here, so I came up.
Where are you at?
Can you even see through the camera? It is so bright.
I can't see a thing.
Wait, do you hear that?
Is that Carter?
Yo, whoa!
Oh, what? What? There's a child. Wait, I didn't know he could afford a helicopter.
I don't understand. How is this possible?
I don't know how this is possible. I didn't know he's that rich. Let's go.
Hello.
We're gonna land in the field, and the last one to touch the helicopter loses.
Oh my God.
Meet us in the field. 3, 2, 1, go now.
I don't know what.
What are you saying?
I don't know what you're saying.
We're coming in. They can't hear us.
Ah, it's so windy.
He's right above us. He's literally right above us. Go to the field.
Where's he going? No, they're flying to the field.
All right, well, I guess I'll see y'all later.
Wait, where are you going? Bailey! Woo! Bailey, what are you doing?
What the heck was that? Is he okay? Is he alright?
What is happening?
Bailey just jumped off the roof. There's a chopper in the back.
Out there looks good. Go.
Go. Okay.
Go what? What?
Carter said go to the helicopter. He said
Last to be.
last to be there. So I got it.
I have a handicap.
I just got out of the pool. I think I saw Carter literally land the helicopter in the backfield. I'm gonna get there before all the boys. Let's go! I knew taking that jump was gonna be a good idea.
Wait, Bailey's got a huge head start. It's not fair.
Y'all are so slow!
Come on, we gotta go quick. Hurry.
Wait.
Let me go down first.
No.
Hey guys, this is so unfair right now.
As long as I'm not the last one there, I can't lose. The stove is locked outside. I'm good, right? All right, bye, stove.
Okay, I need to find a different way to get down because that is still locked. And Andrew, there's no way he just locked the hatch. Come on, Andrew. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy, Andrew. Oh. No! He locked it. He locked the hatch too. Are you serious?
All right, we're stoked. I don't know.
All right, quick. In the Jeep. Let's go.
Okay, I think I hear the helicopter. Oh, there it is, right there. Ah!
All right, I feel kind of bad for locking stove outside, but remember, if this is a challenge, you just gotta remember that if this, oh jeez, oh man, that's high. Oh, there's no ladder here. How am I supposed to get down? Usually there's a ladder right here to climb down, but there isn't one right now.
We just landed, and Bailey is the first one.
Woo, I'm touching it. That's all that counts, right?
Yeah. So Bailey, you got here quick. Where's everybody else?
Oh no, no one decided to hit the roof gap.
Stove is still up on the roof.
Stove is stuck. Well, I guess I just lose. I can't get down. There's no way for me to get down right now.
How did we get a helicopter? That's my question.
I have no idea, but I want to see what it's all about. Let's go. Help!
Oh, dear God.
Okay, you're amazing. Thank you. Okay, that was really scary, actually. Yeah, I don't do well with heights. I don't know if people know that. There's the ladder. The ladder's outside for some reason.
And up on the hill.
And we have our next contestant. Who is it? Woo! Number 2.
Wait, Bert second? No way! Oh, shit!
We got 2. That means it's a race between Ryan and Stove, and the last one is going to be eliminated from the challenge and not moving on our last to leave helicopter video. Guys, this is going to be insane. This thing is so cool.
Stove?
Run!
Hey, sorry, man.
No.
Yo, crazy? There was no ladder in there. Bye.
Are you serious right now?
I'm cramping.
Come back here, Ryan!
Stove, what are you doing on the roof?
Well, Ryan just locked me out, so I'm stuck on the roof right now, and there's no way for me to get down.
You're stuck on the roof?
He locked the secret game room door.
Alright, we'll find some shade. You're gonna be up there for a while, I guess. Alright, see you, Stove.
No! No!
I can hear him.
The only shade in this whole roof right now is this little area right here. I might need to call someone to unlock this for me. So.
Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm not last, right?
Let's see. Touch. And you're not last, so I guess
that was brutal.
Well, this is it. Last to leave helicopter challenge is officially started. We got Andrew Berg.
Yeah.
We got Bailey Payne.
Yeah, you know, I'm already in ready to go.
With a white knuckle grip. And
I
Ryan.
don't know how I'm feeling about this. This looks broken.
It is broken.
Are you serious?
Yep.
I'm not getting in this thing.
Ryan, easy now.
Ryan.
Ryan, you're always the first one out in every challenge.
That's not true. That's not true.
That is.
Play a compilation of every video I won.
And what are you doing? You're in the water and not on a boat.
Just do it again. Just start over.
How am I not surprised? Ryan is already eliminated. Ryan, it's $10,000. You can basically buy one of these helicopters if you want
This
to.
helicopter's $300,000.
Bailey's ready.
I'm beyond ready. White knuckle ready.
White knuckles. Ryan, stop trying to get yourself out. We took the doors off for comfort.
You're telling me this guy sold the doors?
Yeah, they probably fell off.
This is smaller than my car. I'm not getting in this.
Just put the buckle on.
What's in it for you, Ryan?
Nothing's in it for me. There's nothing that can make this worth it.
Are you guys ready for your first helicopter challenge?
I mean, I couldn't even imagine what a challenge in this would look like.
Well, we're about to hit it. Ryan's like actually pissed off. Out of all the challenges, Ryan wishes he could just leave in the beginning. I'm not letting you leave.
I'm not doing
You're gonna strap him in.
No.
Strap him in.
No.
I think we're ready. All right, Ryan, strap in. Put your seatbelts in. It's just like a car.
This is actually happening.
Yeah, it's actually happening. Oh! You good?
No, I'm not good.
So this challenge is you have to fly in the helicopter, do crazy maneuvers. Yeah, it's a challenge. You have to fly in the helicopter. That's challenge 1. You're leaving? Wait, what? No! Duck, Ryan. Oh my God. Ryan just left. Look at Drew. We're gonna win. Whoa, look at the ground. Oh, wait, operate. You'll see this. We're actually flying right now. I can't believe we're doing this again. Oh, wait. This is real. Oh, shit. This is so surreal. Look at this. Oh my God, Jimmy. Yeah, that was amazing.
He made it.
All right, so we finally got here.
Finally, if I missed it.
Well, the first 2 challenges are complete, so obviously you're last, so you didn't even start the challenge. Challenge 1 was to fly and go crazy and have fun, and you're too scared, so you're out.
That was terrifying.
So now the 2 people left in the video is Andrew and Bailey. We're moving on to the watermelon drop test challenge.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
Unleash the watermelons. What we're about to toss. Yeah. Okay. All right, well, they're taking off already. I'm standing on a homemade target, and the next challenge is the watermelon drop test challenge with them in the helicopter. They're gonna be throwing different watermelons off from different heights. If you hit the target, it's 1 point. If you miss, it's 0 points. Whoever has the most points is gonna be the winner and moves on to the final and last challenge. The loser is gonna be eliminated. Oh no, let's try. It's a miss! Defense! It's a miss! No! Oh! I hit the white, it bounced! You hit it? It bounced. Oh! That's a hit! Good shot! We got 1 more watermelon, baby. Let's go. Ready? Count it. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh, I missed! You missed it! Oh, it splatted all over It's probably a lot harder to hit a watermelon from a moving, hovering helicopter than you would initially think. They're coming down for a reset, and they're gonna get 3 more watermelons, and Bailey is gonna be trying his throw and see if he can get any better. But I think right now, the score right now is Andrew has 1 hit and 2 misses. Let's see if Bailey can beat that.
You ready to get crossed?
There he is.
And 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
No!
It's a miss. Bailey missed his first throw. That was a definite miss. Bailey hit right here. It looked really close. I actually thought he was gonna do it. They are higher. He's going for throw number 2. Places, everybody. Oh, he's way higher. It's only gonna get harder and harder for him to hit.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's a big throw and oh! So close, but he missed. Oh no.
This is around the marbles. This is how Bern and I are gonna tie right now. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Oh! No! Oh! I got watermelon in my face.
Yay! Let's go! I hit it! Woo! Bern, we have a problem. We tied.
So the official score is 1-1, but we do need a winner to move on to the next challenge. So we're gonna do one more sudden death watermelon. Go load it up, Jack.
We have a tiebreaker around now.
Pressure's on.
Sudden death! Watermelon drop test, sudden death. This is the tiebreaker. Let's see who can win this thing.
Alright, here we go.
I'm getting nervous for them up there because it is challenging. They've only made 1 out of 3 throws. They get 1 more. Somebody needs to make it. And we're gonna see. Who is it gonna be? Comment down below if you have any idea.
Bird's one and final chance right now.
They're gonna throw a watermelon over our heads.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Here he goes. And it's a throw. Oh, it's a hit. Oh, it's a hit. It's a bounce.
You got it?
I got it. I hit the white. I hit the white.
Oh, you hit the Alright. Oh, so you know it's my turn.
Andrew hit. Bailey's probably sweating and white knuckling up in the helicopter right now because he's got 1 more throw and he wants to move on to this next challenge. But we'll see what happens. There's the watermelon.
3, 2, 1.
There's the throw. Oh! It was so close. Landed it within feet. Right here. $10,000. Missed by 4 feet. The watermelon challenge is complete, and Bailey, I gotta say, you lost the tiebreaker.
I'm pissed.
That means you're out.
I know.
You lose. Which means Andrew moves on for the last and final craziest challenge where you have to climb out of a moving helicopter, hang underneath it while it flies, and the last one to fall off without a parachute loses.
I don't want to do that. That's terrifying.
Hear me out. If you split the prize money with me, I'll win for you, and I'll give you the rest of it. I promise. I promise. Just let me.
Wait, you guys are trying to team up?
Yes.
So you're going 50-50.
Sub me at 50.
Well, there's no way I'm going to win this by myself, especially against Carter. So yeah, I'm going to sub Bailey in.
Oh, against Carter.
All right, I've seen this happen before, so they're teaming up. $5,000 each if you guys win. You guys are splitting. And it's gonna now be me versus Bailey on the helicopter challenge.
Thank the Lord. This is definitely about to be ridiculously rare.
I can't wait to do this. It's gonna be the coolest, craziest, scariest thing I've ever done. Without further ado, I guess let's load up the helicopter.
Good luck, Carter.
Yep. I think we're ready for the final challenge. We're up and flying again. Not again.
All right, so Bailey is substituting in for Andrew right now for a last and final challenge, last to fall off.
If anybody can beat Carter in this challenge, it's going to be Bailey. He is the strongest, and he can definitely hold on. Here they come. Look, they're right there.
Oh, there he is.
How about Buffalo?
They're about to fly off.
This is so scary.
That is so sketchy.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
jumped out of a helicopter in my own backyard.
I'm not even mad I lost.
Dude, that was the most rare, ridiculous thing I've ever done at this house.
That is so rare. Well, I guess that means that Andrew and Bailey win. The $10,000, $5,000 each. Team Rare is the best. Comment down below what else we should do. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace. Wait, what? No! Oh, God, dude! Imagine you gets hurt that way after everything we did.